Very okay, dear students. In this video, we will see how the answer should write for 3-mark question or 5-mark question. Okay, let us see what all things should be there. Why I should write like that, heading, introduction, like that. But many students are not doing. So once again, I am going to give a reminder, means the one suggestion how you should write your answer. See here, question number 6 of last test, that is about Balkan area. What happened there? Okay, that is the heading given here. See the question related to Balkan area, heading also that given as Balkan area. Then introduction, the 3 causes of conflict in the Balkan areas. Question related to the conflicts between in the area of Balkan area. So the introduction given, the same thing, that only what was the question, that same thing, causes of conflict in the Balkan area. So written like this, the 3 causes of the conflict in the Balkan area, or there was 3 causes, like that also you can write. So that is the introduction. Then writing first point, second point, third point, and if it is there sub points, you can add with after first point. If there is 1 or 2 sub point, you can write like that, 1, 2, like that you can write. So there is no sub point, so written all 3 points. Then last, thus this resulted in World War I. So here from the looking to this answer itself, no need to take the question paper. What is the question? No need to think to that particular teacher who is checking. Even though if it is not a social teacher, they can understand that some conflict arose in the Balkan area that resulted First World War. From the answer itself, everybody can understand the question what it is. Same answer written by, this is our school student, not from anybody else. This is one of our school student written answer. Okay, we will watch another one more answer written by another one student. Why I am comparing? I am not comparing like that, this student written nicely, that student. What are the method of writing? That only we are giving priority. Then same way we can see that one, the 5-mark questions also. Okay, question number 9 related to Indian national feeling arises. Okay, sense of collective belongingness, how it is the question related to collective belongingness. It may be in Europe or in India. So from that we can understand that sense of belonging. If you are writing about, if it is the Indian situation, sense of collective belongingness in India, if you are writing, that will be much better. And if you are writing this much, at least that is the heading of the answer. Then first lesson, the cultural process helped in creating a sense of collective belongingness in India by the following ways. That is the introduction. I am going to explain something. What that is the cultural process, what helped the belongingness, that feeling of oneness in India. Then written first point, that is the first point, through images. Then sub points 1, 2, 3, 4 sub points written. Then second point, then sub points written. Then we can see the like that it is going. Then last, end of the answer here given the conclusion also. Thus cultural process can be one of the important aspect in creating sense of collective belonging. If you are writing like this big answer, if you are writing the main 1 or 2 sub points, it's okay, because answer should not be more detailed or more lengthy. So we can skip some of the points, not all the points, main points, 1 or 2 sub points, then like that. But here it is not that much lengthy, you are writing in your notebook, that's why we are feeling like that it is a lengthy answer. The answer should be more or less 1 page or 1/4 of the 3/4 of the page of your answer sheet, what you are going to get in the annual exam. That means near about 120 words. 120 words you can write. Don't count like that, is, in, like that words. Other main words you can count and find out how much words you are writing in your answer. So if there is more than that, like up to 150, it's okay. 120 it is given the limit, and you can proceed up to 130, 140 maximum. Means some history answers it will come little bit longer. that should be precise, should be in the 150 words. No, don't exceed more than that. Don't take second page to write the long answer. Only one page, not more than one page. Should not write anything for one mark question. If you are drawing some diagrams are not that much important for 10th standard students. If you are using that also, you can do it in sidewise. Okay, so this is the method of writing your answer. So there should be heading, then introduction, main points, sub points, then conclusion. And the model exam, those who are not following this method of writing answer directly, I will cancel that answer. I will cut that one answer. Why? Many times I have given guidance like that. Write heading, introduction, conclusion, heading, and I think in all the papers what I checked and sent, maximum written like that, heading, introduction, conclusion. In each and every page it was writing. And then when we discuss about the how to write exams in RTS starting, that time also I have said, last year onwards I am saying. So you people are not following, means 1 year over giving all the instructions, same thing it is happening, means then now I want to take some steps. Already those who are not written number properly, those who are not keeping margin properly, I reduce mark, now they are started to keep. Then about margin, it should be left side, it should be 3 centimeter. Left side it should be 3 centimeter margin. If you are drawing your margin, please draw 3 centimeter. In the answer sheet what you are going to get in annual exam, it will be that much space, because we want to write your mark after correcting where I will write mark. Now because on the screen I can write anywhere and everywhere, it's okay. But if in the exam hall, means the evaluation time, we can write your mark only on your margin. We can't write anywhere else. So that margin should be enough to write your mark or some corrections. If it is 3 mark question, your teacher going to give 2.5. That much space should be there to write. Then when you are writing your answer, unknowingly some mistake came. For example, I will show. Okay, here not like that. I will show some other paper from that. Okay, here another one small mistake. Not mistake. The what we are doing like this mathematics. We don't have space to write that ending 2-3 spelling. What we want to do, we should write in the next line. So should not make like this kacha kacha here in your paper, because it is going to affect your mark in board exam. I can give mark because I know you personally, and each and every students, what is your capacity, like that things I can understand. But in board exam, who is coming to check your paper? Not myself, somebody else. They don't know who is this particular number student, not this name of the student, number only they are going to get. Okay, so we are going to see another one paper also, 1 or 2 paper we will see. From that you can understand. Here see, again cutting and overwriting. Instead of that, cut that and write in the next word like this. Why I am not to feel anybody, it is for general purpose I am saying. You can improve. And those who are writing very small, like the ant's leg, please write it little more legible or bigger letters. Please write a little more bigger one. The same handwriting, try to let. Now we are having 4 more months to improve your handwriting also. Otherwise, like ordinary days of the year, ordinary years, February exam will start. Now in January, if I am saying like that, improve your handwriting, it won't work out. But this year we are having time. This is January first week. So up to May first week we are having. In these 4 months, what all things you are writing, please try to write little more legible way. By that you can score some more mark. Okay, we will continue another one paper with next video.